Applying for work. You can search and apply for work using the Search for Work tool located on your dashboard, or alternatively select from the main menu Work and Search for Work. By default, searches will occur within 20 kilometres of your home suburb. You can adjust those number of kilometres, select the industry that you're after, as well as the position. You can even add dates and times, specifically for shift work this assists with, and then select Search. Review the available positions. You can even search for more employers within 10 kilometres that you can apply to. But for this example, we're going to apply to this promotional staff job on the 20th of December 2008 to the 21st, so it's over 2 days, from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. So that means 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. on the 20th and 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. on the 21st. The pay rate is $21 per hour, and the location is in Brisbane for a company called Childcare Connect. And the job, you can see in summary, is about handing out some flyers. We can click on More Info to find out more information. And we can see the details of the job. Once again, it's for 4 hours each day. The job's still currently open. We can see the description, handing out flyers at a local mall. Skills, qualifications required. We can review the technical skills and competency standards they're looking for. 1 being low skilled and 5 being highly skilled. And they prefer people who have got a couple of years experience. I like this job, so I'm going to apply. I'll click on the apply button. And you'll notice it's taking me to a screen asking some technical skills and competency standard questions. This has occurred because I have not previously set up the skill and experience of promotional staff. So I'll go through and answer the questions. Competency standard questions. The first one here, able to provide a tax invoice with ABN. That means you have an Australian business number. Please do not confuse this with the tax file number. Everybody has a TFN, a tax file number, in order to work in Australia. The Australian business number means you're treated like a company. Next, answer questions on your years of experience. And then your preferred pay rate. If you just simply click the award checkbox, that means you'll be paid by the award governing that particular position and industry, and is the most attractive to employers. Alternatively, if you're very good at your job, you may be able to put a higher pay rate in. The next checkbox here, receive shift alerts. That means that we're able to send you updates and alerts on particular positions. Please keep this box checked. Then select Next. In this example, I haven't previously set up my availability. Therefore, the system is going to check to see if my availability coincides with the needs of the employer. So to apply for this position, your area of availability and hours must match the following. The location is in Brisbane, and between the dates of the 20th of the 12th and the 21st of the 12th from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. So my area of availability, my home location in this example is Mount Gravatt, and I'm willing to travel 10 kilometres. So now, with this first red button selected, I can set my availability on those particular dates. Now I'm going to be available, I know I'm available from 6 a.m. in the morning till 8 p.m. at night on the Saturday, and 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. at night on the Sunday. So clearly my availability matches with the needs of the employer, which was from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. because I'm available from 6 a.m. till 9 p.m. The question is, does my location of Mount Gravatt and a willingness to travel 10 kilometres to work match the needs of the employer? Well, I'm going to find out when I select Next. I've been returned to the same screen. This means that the city location of Brisbane is further than 10 kilometres from Mount Gravatt. I need to change my distance, so I'd select Edit, if I'm willing to travel further, so that I will be able to apply for the position, because I'm now committing myself to travel 20 kilometres to go to work. I can choose the Next button at the top of the screen or the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Great news! I've now got a tick for locality match, which means I'm able to travel the distance to go to the employer. My skills match, which means I've now got a position set up as promotional staff, and I can also introduce myself to the employer to join their preferred list. I can also add a short personal application message. You've got a maximum of 250 characters, so please keep it short. There's no need to add your email address or mobile phone number because they'll automatically be added to the message. Then press submit, and we can see at the top of the screen, success. The application has successfully been sent. You can now monitor your applications in the View Applications option from the menu bar, and we can see here my application for Job 2197, the multi-shift for Childcare Connect promotional staff, and my status is currently applied. The employer will now receive an email from the system as well as an SMS letting them know about my application. If I'm accepted, I will then receive an email and possibly SMS if the employer is using that service, letting me know if I have got the position. This will change to accepted. Please refer to the tips in the email sent to you with recommendations on calling the employer, taking along your tax file number and bank account details, and even giving yourself a little extra time to find the venue.